नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, एक्सपर्ट टीचिंग या यूट्यूब चॅनलमध्ये तुमचे स्वागत आहे। आपण या ठिकाणी क्लास 10th यामधील मॅथ पार्ट 2 यामधील न्यू चॅप्टर द चॅप्टर नंबर 1 सिमिलॅरिटी हा स्टार्ट करणार आहोत। त्याला मराठीमध्ये आपण समरूपता असे म्हणतोय। आपण एकापाठोपाठ मॅथ आणि सायन्सचे सर्वच चॅप्टर आपण या ठिकाणी शिकवणार आहोत। तर यामध्ये फर्स्ट चॅप्टर सिमिलॅरिटी आपण स्टार्ट करत आहोत। तर सर्वप्रथम आपण सिमिलॅरिटी म्हणजे काय हे पाहणार आहोत। सिमिलॅरिटी इज अ फिगर हॅव्हिंग सेम शेप but different in size, a figure having same shape but different in size is called as similar figure, that is the triangles. Now this triangle and this triangle, the both triangle have same shape but their different size is called as similar figure, and the similar figure is known as similarity. समरूपता म्हणजे आकाराने सारखे आणि मापाने भिन्न असणाऱ्या आकृत्यांना आपण समरूपता असे म्हणणार आहोत। यामध्ये सेम शेप असेल बट डिफरंट इन साइज, त्याला आपण सिमिलॅरिटी असं म्हणतोय। नेक्स्ट कन्सेप्ट आहे यामध्ये ट्रायंगल। फर्स्ट द ट्रायंगल, दॅट इज त्रिकोण। ट्रायंगल का है? इट इज द सेट ऑफ थ्री नॉन कोलिनियर points of lines is called triangle. ट्रायंगल यानी तीन नैकरेषीय बिंदूच्या रेषाच्या संचाला आपण त्रिकोण असं म्हणणार आहोत। तर यामध्ये a set of three non-collinear points of line is called as triangle, and there is triangle yani trikon. This is height of triangle. The triangle name is A, B, C and height AD. Now this is base and this is height. Now the area of triangle equal to, in figure, the triangle ABC is sec BC is the base and sec AD is the height. Then area of triangle equal to, area of triangle equal to 1/2 base into height. Now that is area of triangle equal, now there is triangle, area of triangle equal to base into height, that is A, B, C and D. Area of triangle equal to 1/2, that is base into height. Now the area of triangle, that is area triangle ABC is equal to 1/2, that is base BC and height AD. Now the area of triangle A equal to 1/2 B into H. This is the formula for area of triangle. Now त्रिकोणाचे क्षेत्रफळ 1/2 पाया गुणिले उंची आणि एरिया त्रिकोण ABC इक्वल टू 1/2 BC गुणिले AD, that is area equal to 1/2 base into height. Now the first concept, is a ratio of area of two triangle. Now a ratio of area of two triangle, that is a ratio of areas of two triangle. Ratios of areas of two triangle. Now first the ratios of areas of two triangle is, now this is first triangle. Now this is first triangle and another is second triangle. No. The triangle name is A, P, C and P, Q, R, S, D. This triangle have now B1 base, height H1. This is base B2 and height H2. Now, the ratio of area of two triangle is now the first triangle, in triangle ABC, sec BC is base and sec AD is height. In triangle PQR, sec QR is base and sec PR is height. Now, for triangle ABC is, therefore sec BC is the base, and sec AD is height. Now therefore area of triangle, it is area of triangle ABC equal to 1 by 2 base into height, that is base BC into height AD, that is equation number 1. Similarly the triangle PQR is, now therefore area triangle PQR equal to 1 by 2 base into height, that is base QR into height PS, that is equation number 2. Now divide equation 1 by 2, the first triangle, now the area triangle ABC, second area triangle PQR is equal to first 1 by 2 BC into AD, second 1 by 2 QR into PS. Now therefore area triangle ABC and area triangle PQR, that is area triangle ABC divided by area triangle PQR is equal to, first 1 by 2 cancel. Now BC into AD divided by QR into PS. Now area triangle ABC is A1, area triangle PQR is A2. Now BC is B1 and H1, QR is B2 and H2. Now therefore the A1 upon A2 equal to B1 upon B2 and H1 upon H2. Now this is the property of ratio of areas of two triangle. A1 upon A2 equal to B1 upon B2 into H1 upon H2, and the statement is the ratio of areas of two triangle, the ratios of areas of two triangle is equal to the ratios of areas of two triangle is equal to the product of their bases is equal to the ratio of product of their bases and corresponding height, that is A1 upon A2 equal to B1 upon B2 into H1 upon H2. The property is the ratios of areas of two triangle is equal to the product of their bases and corresponding height. मराठीमध्ये दोन त्रिकोणांच्या क्षेत्रफळांचे गुणोत्तर हे त्यांच्या संगत पाया आणि संगत उंची यांच्या गुणाकारांच्या गुणोत्तरा एवढे असते. दॅट इज A1 upon A2 इक्वल टू B1 upon B2 into H1 upon H2. Now this is First property, the ratios of areas of two triangles. Now another is if the height of both triangles are equal. If the height of both triangles are equal, if the heights of both triangles are equal. Now heights of both triangles are equal. Now we can draw the two triangles. Now this is first triangle. Now, and this is second triangle. Both triangles heights are equal, that is H, H. Now triangle name is A, B, C, P, Q, R, and this is AD, this is PS. Now H and base B, B1 and base B2. Now for triangle ABC is, for triangle ABC is, sec BC is base, sec BC is the base, and sec AD is height. Now the area of triangle, that is area triangle ABC, is equal to 1/2 base into height. Base is BC and height is AD. Now equation number 1. Similarly, triangle PQR is, now the area triangle PQR equal to 1/2 base QR and height PS. Now divide equation 1/2. First one is area triangle ABC and another is area triangle PQR is equal to the first 1/2 BC into AD and another is 1/2 QR into PS. Now the 1/2 is cancelled. The area triangle ABC is A1, area triangle PQR is A2. Now 1/2 is cancelled. BC and B1, AD and H, QR and B2 and PS and H. Now HH cancel. Therefore the triangle A1 upon A2 equal to B1 upon B2. Now this is the property of if the heights of both triangles are equal. समान उंची असताना दोन त्रिकोणांच्या क्षेत्रफळांचे गुणोत्तर. If the heights of both triangles are equal, then their ratio is equal to corresponding their bases. If the two triangles having their heights are equal, then their ratio is equal to corresponding their bases. समान उंची असताना दोन त्रिकोणांच्या क्षेत्रफळांचे गुणोत्तर हे त्यांच्या संगत पायांच्या गुणोत्तराबरोबर असते. दॅट इज A1 upon A2 equal to B1 upon B2. Now the another concept is if the bases of both triangles are equal. Now if the bases of both triangles are equal. Now the bases of both triangles are equal. The diagram is bases of both triangles are equal. Now, okay, and that is, now this is A, B, C and PBC. This is S and this is D. Now bases, that is height H2, height H1, basis is BC. Now, for triangle ABC is, sec BC is height and sec BC is the base and sec AD is the height. Then area of triangle ABC equal to 1 by 2 base into height, that is base BC and height AD. That is equation number 1. Similarly, for triangle PBC is now area triangle PBC equal to 1 by 2 base BC and height PS. Now base BC and height PS. Divide equation 1 by 2. The first is area triangle ABC and second is area triangle PBC is equal to first 1 by 2 BC into AD. The second is 1 by 2 BC into PS. Now 1 by 2 and BC is cancelled. Now this is area triangle ABC and area triangle PBC. 1 by 2 and BC is cancelled. AD divided by PS. Now there is A1 upon A2 equal to AD is H1 and this is H2. Now this is the property of if the bases of triangles are equal. If the two triangles having their bases are equal, their ratio is equal to corresponding their heights. Now समान पाया असताना दोन त्रिकोणांच्या क्षेत्रफळांचे गुणोत्तर हे त्यांच्या संगत उंचीच्या गुणोत्तरा एवढे असते. नाउ द लास्ट प्रॉपर्टी, last property is if the bases and heights are equal, यानी कि समान पाया आणि समान उंची असताना, if the two triangles समान पाया आणि समान उंची असताना, if the bases and heights are equal, then the ratios of areas of two triangles are equal. Now therefore we know that the A1 upon A2 equal to B1 upon B2 and H1 upon H2 if the bases and heights are equal. Now if B1 equal to B2 and H1 equal to H2, if the bases and heights are equal, B1 equal to B2 equal to B and H1 equal to H2 equal to H, therefore A1 upon A2 equal to B1 यानी B, B2 यानी B, H1 यानी H, H2 यानी H. Therefore A1 upon A2 equal to, that is 1/1. Therefore A1 equal to A2. If the bases and heights are equal, then their ratio of area of two triangle is equal, that is A1 equal to A2. तर या ठिकाणी आपण सिमिलॅरिटीचे बेसिक कन्सेप्ट पाहिलेले आहेत आणि नेक्स्ट पेडमध्ये आपण प्रॅक्टिस सेट 1.1 स्टार्ट करणार आहोत. धन्यवाद.